story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%.
Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. What is going on, everybody? Today is, man, I'm ashamed to say, man, but it is what it is, man. Today's Sunday. Now, technically, I'm not working today, okay? So, don't call me a loser, man. I'm not a loser. Technically, I'm not working, but I have on mechanic clothes. And that don't mean nothing, man. That don't really mean nothing. Don't go by there, guys. All I'm going to do is go up here and get my truck. I'm going to try to attempt to do what I tried to do last week. I got to go to Brothers Motors and get some scrap. Clean up the garage. Get a bunch of junk motors laying around and put in my truck. Okay? We got to make the shop look presentable. That's all I'm doing, guys. I'm not working. I promise you, I will not touch a wrench today. All right? So what I'm doing right now is going up to the job and getting my truck, guys. In fact, I'm here right now, okay? I left the truck outside, guys. All right? Yes, it's still right here, okay? I had to leave it outside, guys, because they tend to lock up the gate over the weekend. Yes, as you can see, the freaking gate is locked up. So if I had left it inside the gate, I wouldn't have been able to get it. But since I left it right here, guys, now I can get it. Smart move, JT. You're a genius, man, for thinking about that. You're a freaking genius. I like to think so, but you know, anybody else might not agree. So guys, let me see how much room. Let's see what's going on. I got plenty of room for at least a good 5, 6, 7 engine. Hey, some of this stuff wasn't on here yesterday. It don't matter, guys. I got enough room for a bunch of... We got to keep the shop clean, guys. We got to get the shop, get some of them junky engines out of there. So, somebody must have put these on here, man. I didn't put all this on here. I'll tell you, man, they be thinking my truck is a dumpster or something. This is a nice truck. This ain't no junk truck. What the hell is wrong with people? But, look at all this room, guys. All right, guys, ain't no sense wasting time. Let me park this PT. I'll just leave it right here. Again, guys, I'm finna attempt to go finish what I started to do yesterday. Y'all know how old folks say yesterday. Let me see if this thing will start, guys. I don't know if the battery. Yes. Hey. Whoa, I can't leave it idling, guys. I haven't fixed that fan yet. I haven't fixed that overheating yet. So, let me grab all my stuff, guys. Next time I see y'all, I will be at Brothers Motors, guys. Okay? So, I'm going to take an ad break. Like I said, when I come back, I'll be at the shop loading up stuff. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, guys. Welcome back, guys. I'm almost here. Y'all can see my temperature hand. It's not quite. It's at half a tank. I mean, it's at the halfway mark. So what you don't want to do, guys, is ride around an overheating car. Now, again, guys, don't think I'm a slacker. I know what I need. I just have to find time to get it and do it. I need an electro fan. If y'all don't remember last time, my fan went out, started wobbling. The electric fan blows. It's just vibrating the complete engine. And what I'm afraid of is that it will come apart and slam into my radiator. So I simply unplugged it. All right, guys, so I'm here at Brothers Motors. Let me go in here and see what he got going on. See if we can load up some of these engines, guys. So hang tight. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. What's up, money? All right. And my buddy's up here. Let's get it. Fellas, I'm here at Brothers Motors. Look at all this junk, man. Look at all this 3.6. Y'all know all about the Pentastar 3.6. I don't know why he replaced it. I don't really care. That is like a little 4-cylinder World engine, might be. Not sure what that came out of. Of course, the 3.8 minivan. Who knows what that came out of? Hey, it look like a 3.7 V6. Could be a Jeep Liberty or anything. Even a 1500, guys. What? Look at this little tiny. Oh, look at the little baby. Oh, it's so cute. A 3-cylinder, guys. I don't need no horse. There go the horse right there, guys. I don't think I'm gonna need it for this. I likely can pick this up. You know, if I can deadlift 315 pounds, surely I can pick this little. Look at the little cute. Oh, They said it's come out of that smart car. That car's still outside, guys. We're gonna go take a look at that car in a minute. I wanna see. Flip this sucker over. Hey, how you pop the hood on that, what's it called, right? On that smart car. Look at this. Oh, they still got the shield on there, so I can't really see the pistons and all. But, guys, I have never worked on a 3-cylinder engine, okay? I mean, an engine is a gasoline combustion engine, I guess. It's saying this look like an EGR, but oh, so cute. Look at the little. All right, let me cause I hear Anita Baker playing in the background. That's gonna mess up my monetization, so I gotta drown that out. But for the most part, let me get this hitch and try to load some of this stuff up, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I didn't get to get none of the engines. After loading up all the radiators and stuff, that pretty much soaked up all my room. So, but damn, PCM 440, that's PT Cruiser. No, they number by heart. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, I ran out of energy for some reason. So I can't let this thing idle long, guys. So let me get rolling. I'm gonna head back to the shop, get my PT, shut this down till Monday. Might run up the scrap yard Tuesday or something like that, and we'll go from there, guys. So that's all I have, guys. I'm leaving Brothers Motors right now. So as y'all can see, they got a lot of work out here. Older model cars, newer model cars, it doesn't matter. They will work on anything. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next video.